Imagine a solution that shields your business from inconsistent adhesive dispensing, improving your manufacturing efficiency and product quality right on the spot. Embrace the new with the VersaBlue 2 melter for adhesive excellence. With enhanced control technology and connectivity, the VersaBlue 2 ensures consistent adhesive application, integrates seamlessly into your manufacturing process, and stays compatible with future industry innovations. Powered by modern diagnostics and improved accessibility, the new melter enhances system monitoring and maintenance, preventing expensive downtimes. The improved thermal insulation reduces energy consumption by up to 10%, trimming operational costs. A reworked product standardization speeds up lead times, while the new intuitive HMI makes operations a breeze, empowering operators to control the system effortlessly. With versatile capacity options, the VersaBlue 2 meets diverse needs and adapts to various production demands. Ready to embrace your adhesive dispensing process?